it started out being, like frustrating. I'm not sure if this is going to work, almost like it's not working. And then all of a sudden, a few adjustments here or there, and it came together.
Hey guys, so it's been 6 months at least since we've installed this DIY bike rack, and we thought this would be a good opportunity to actually do a review on it for you. What do we like about it? What would we change? Do we still like it? Do we want a different one? Do we like it on the back? So what do you think, Bob?
Well, it's been awesome because we put the bikes on here and we don't even think about it. I can still see through my backup cam. It's not perfect, and the reason that's not perfect is just because he's come out 2 inches, or I'm sorry, 2 feet, but whatever, that's nothing you can do if you have them off the bat. But we put them on, we go off-road, bumps, every washboard, all that, no worries. I mean, that is sandwich L-Track on the inside and the outside. These Lolo hooks are very easy. We can get the bikes on and off quickly. The mount worked really well. We have enough clearance between the window and the handlebars, which was a kind of a challenge, but that worked out fine. The ability to put these handcuffs on for locks makes it super nice. I mean, obviously anything can be taken, but this would take a little bit of effort. We have all tires locked up, and the bike's locked to the Lolo racks or the hooks. So this L-Track really worked well. The only thing that I would try and do, I shouldn't even say it, we're gonna redo this on the next van also. And I may go with something different than the L-Track, or I may use it. Nice thing is this is aluminum, it's super strong. It allows us to go ahead and put in a stud into the L-Track itself and use that. So I may use this again, but we will see as we get closer. What did I do wrong or right? No, it worked out. It started out being, like frustrating. I'm not sure if this is going to work, almost like it's not working. And then all of a sudden, a few adjustments here or there, and it came together. So it really is strong. Like I said, it's sandwiched between. We go off-road. I never considered the bikes being on the back. We never think about them getting stolen. I think the suction cups down here, which are called sea suckers, work great because sometimes they will lose their suction because we don't clean it correctly. But the nice thing is that they're just attached with the strap to the bike tire, so then they just hang there. It's not often, but sometimes they'll come loose. So those actually work out well. It protects that back door, and the bikes don't bounce or whatever. So that was nice. Instead of going ahead and bolting through something that holds that tire, that's less holes. So there's 3 holes up there that go through the door, which is very strong up there. And there's no indicator of stress on the inside or outside. We use the inside to hang towels and such, so it works well. But like I said, the only thing I'm going to do on our next build, which is going to come soon, I actually ordered Lolo hooks. They should come in today for our next, the 2022 van. I might end up doing exactly the same thing, but I'm going to check. And I'm talking about, this is all going to be the same. It's just a matter, do I use L-Track or do I use something else? Do I try and bend L-Track? But, the way I look at this, it's like, this is pretty perfect. So this may be what I go with. The distance between the bikes is really well. Like I said, the distance between the windows here. I'm getting up on the L, as far as height, which we have to go to that point anyway. But getting them up there is not that hard. We can take them on and off quickly. If we didn't have to lock them, which only takes another few minutes, but if we didn't have to lock them at all, it'd be like done in a second. So this is highly recommended. We've had many people come up and ask about this and how we, where we bought it or whatever, and we went through that with them. So it's a really slick system. We didn't create low hooks, you know, we bought those, but we created this, and this really worked good. The key is, again, you sandwich L-Track on the inside of the door and outside the door. So I know for sure that these bikes are not coming off here unless the low hook brakes, which they sell. I see 8 on, or 6 or 8 on the back of these racks that are hanging off the hitches. So then it's not going to break. That's the only thing that would be the issue. Or,
I don't know how that would work.
No, it's not going to happen. I'm just saying it's not the setup that we have. It would be something else. We never think about the bikes. And when the doors open, which we've shown before, then this just opens out of the way. I mean, there's no concern. The only thing is we have 270 hinges. And so if you have 180 hinges, this is how far it goes. Well, I guess 180 goes here. 180 hinges, you are perfect. You don't even have to worry about it. We have 270 hinges, so our hinges go back. So the thing is, it's going to hit the tire. First time I did that, so
Great.
So, no, I'm saying that's good. I guess it does hit this. No, it doesn't hit the pedal. So the concern is like the wind blows it open and it comes heavy, but actually this would hold it from hitting anyway, and maybe this pedal, but so there's really no issue with that either. But the nice thing is it's out of the way. But again, if you have 180s, then you don't even come this far. You're perfect. So this is huge. This is huge. So instead of swinging out from our hitch, we have it right here. We don't have to touch anything, and we can get in and out of this door without any, stopping, or pulling anything off or moving anything. As where if you have it coming off your hitch, sure, you can swing it. Now you have your bike sitting out here. If you're okay with that, that's okay. But we don't have to do anything. We don't have to unlatch anything, and then we don't have to have space over here for the bikes to come out over here. So really good. Like I said, I'm just gonna try and enhance this, but when I look at this is pretty awesome, and that may be the way to go. Maybe I'll get black ones instead of this, even though I won't if they scratch, but other than that, I don't know what I would do different.
Yeah. I think this is perfect timing to review what we're doing with the bike rack, since we are going to build another van. And so it's good to look at it and think about it. And would we do again? Absolutely.
Yeah.
There are other videos out there, previous videos on how we actually built the bike rack, if you are interested in that. And there's plenty of videos when we were doing bike riding to show you how quickly it is to take the bikes on and off with this system that we have set up. So again, guys, thanks for watching.
Highly recommended. And it's not just that we did it, it really turned out well. And I never think of those bikes, and we'll be on 4-wheel drive trails with the van off-road, and I don't think about it. So
if you guys need any information on how we built this bike rack, any specifics,
look at the video.
Look at the video, certainly message us and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. We will see you tomorrow.